In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize email message in DocuSign. We're going to walk through the current way to tailor the email your recipients see when you send a DocuSign envelope, so your message is clear, professional, and on point. Start on your DocuSign dashboard, click New, then choose Send an Envelope. This opens the workspace where you'll build everything you're sending. It's simple, and it keeps all your settings for this envelope in one place. Next, upload the document that needs to be signed. You can drag and drop the file or select it from your device. Once it's uploaded, confirm that it appears in the envelope area. Take a quick moment to make sure it's the right version and that it looks complete. Catching issues now saves you from having to resend later. Now add your recipients. Enter each recipient's name and email address, and add all required signers for this envelope. Accuracy is key here, so double check spellings and ensure you've included everyone who needs to sign. This ensures the envelope reaches the correct people without delays. With recipients set, it's time to customize the email message. Locate the email subject field and update it to something specific and helpful, like the document name and purpose. Then move to the email message box and type the message you want recipients to see in their notification. Keep it concise, explain what the document is, and let them know what action is needed. You can fully replace the default text, and this custom message will appear in the notification sent by DocuSign. Note that the same message applies to all recipients within this envelope, so write it in a way that makes sense for everyone. Also important, you can edit this message before sending only. Once you send the envelope, it's locked. Quick note, if you need DocuSign, you'll find a link to the website and official mobile app downloads at the very top of the description, so you can get set up right away. Before sending, review everything. Reread your subject and message for clarity and typos, confirm your recipients and their email addresses, and ensure the correct document is attached. When you're satisfied, click Send. Your recipients will receive the customized email and can proceed to sign. Remember, the message applies across all recipients in this envelope. It's editable only before you send, and the default text can be completely replaced. That's it. Your DocuSign email message is now customized and ready to go. Thanks for watching.